Hello. Today I am going to show you how to make Plarn. Plarn is a yarn that you make out of plastic bags. We're going to use them to make mats for the homeless. So what you need is, of course, a bunch of plastic bags and some scissors or a rotary cutter. You're going to want to take your bag and flatten it out and kind of tuck in those sides a little bit so it looks like the ones that came off of the rack. Fold it, and then you want to cut off the handles and cut off the little bottom, and those can go in the trash, or you can use those for stuffing for stuffed animals or dog toys or dog beds or whatever. And then you want to cut it in four. So I just cut it in half again, and half again. And what you end up with is a circle of bag. So what you want to do is cut a bunch of these. And then I will show you how to put them together. So you want to hold it like this. You want to overlap it. And then pull it through. So you're making a little knot. You just pull it tight. Like that. Let me show you again. All right, so you take the end. You want to overlap them like this. Then pull this one over and through. Okay. And one more. Like this. Pull it through. And there you have your Plarn. And we use it like yarn. And then you just want to roll it in a ball. And then keep on adding to it. And that's easy. And then we're going to show you how to crochet the Plarn into a mat for homeless, which is part of our September project. So I like to do more than one bag at once. I will stack several bags. I don't pay attention to the colors of the bags or anything. Some people make cool little patterns with the colors of the bag for the mat, but I don't. That takes too much time. You need 500 to 700 bags per mat, which is a lot. I just stack a bunch of them. Fold them. It doesn't need to be precise. There's a lot of forgiveness in the Plarn. 4s. So I'll cut a bunch of these. I'll throw them into a bag and cut a bunch of them at once, and then just sit down and attach them all together and make a big ball of Plarn.